Good morning everybody. Welcome back to my story session. In today's story session, I'm going to tell you the story about a cap seller. Yes, in today's story session, I will tell you about the story of a cap seller. Yes, cap seller are the people who sells caps. Yes, have you worn a cap? Yes, do you have caps at home? There are different types of caps. So, cap seller are the person who sells caps. Yes? Okay. It was a hot summer afternoon. Yes, it was a hot summer afternoon. Yes, that is during the summer season, it's very hot, and in the afternoon, the rays of the sun is very hot, very hot. So, one day the cap seller was going for his work. That is, he was on his way to the place where he is going to sell his caps. So, that time it was hot summer afternoon. And what is the time when we will say afternoon? That is the time after 12 p.m. Okay? Right. So, it was hot summer afternoon. Now what happened? That is, a cap seller sat under a tree and had his food. He was feeling hungry. So, that's why the cap seller sat under a tree and he was having his food. And he was so tired that after eating, he slept for some time. He went off to sleep. Then you know what happened? My goodness, when he wake up, what happened? After waking up, then what happened? That is, when he went off to sleep, he did not notice what was there around him. Then, you know what happened? When he went off to sleep, there were many monkeys on the tree. Now, where are those monkeys? The cap seller, when he was tired after having his food, he went off to sleep under a tree. And the tree where he was sleeping, under the tree where the cap seller was sleeping, on the top of the tree, he did not notice that there were many monkeys. Yes, there were many monkeys on the tree. They saw the cap seller's bundle. Now, what is the meaning of the bundle? That is, you know, bundle is a bag where we normally keep things and we tie it. Yes, so cap seller also was carrying a bundle with him. And can you guess what were there within the bundle? That is, what were inside the bundle? Yes, the bundle was full of caps. Why? Because the cap seller is going to his place to sell those caps. So, the bundles, then inside the bundles there should be caps. Yes. So, he went off to sleep, and after that the monkeys who were sitting on top of the tree, they were watching the cap seller and his bundle. Now, what happened, you know? The monkeys, after seeing the cap seller's bundle, they came down and they opened the bundle. And do you know what they did? They found all the caps inside the bundle. And then what they did? They took those caps and they went back up onto the tree. Yes, they went back on the tree. And then after some time, the cap seller wake up from his sleep. Yes, the cap seller wake up from his sleep. And when he wake up, do you know what he saw? He saw that all the monkeys who were on top of that tree, they were sitting with his caps on their heads. Why goodness, all the caps, the monkeys took it out from the bundle and all the monkeys wear those caps. Now he was very scared. He shouted, but the monkeys went higher up on the tree. When he saw the monkeys wearing those caps, he shouted so that the monkeys come down. But the monkeys did not listen. They went higher up onto the tree. Yes, they went higher up on the tree. So what he did? He threw his cap. The cap seller was wearing one cap, and you know, monkeys always follow what you do. Suppose if you find a monkey coming to your balcony, and then if you show something to the monkey will automatically follow you. So the cap seller got an idea, and what he did, the cap which he was wearing, he thought of opening the cap, and the moment he opened his cap, the monkeys also opened their caps. And when the monkeys did that, then what happened? All the caps fall down. And then what did the cap seller do? He picked up the caps and tied them in the bundle and went his way. That is, the moment the monkeys opened their caps and followed the cap seller, that is, the cap seller opened his cap and he put it down. So the monkeys also did the same thing. They opened their caps and they throw it on the ground. And then what happened? The caps fall down, and then the cap seller collected all the caps and he put it inside his bundle. He tied it properly and then he went on his way. So this was a nice story, and what we have learned from this story, that is, there is always a way out of every difficulty. What was the difficulty in this story? The difficulty was the caps which the cap seller was supposed to sell. Those caps were taken by the monkeys. So what he was wanting those caps so that he could sell them. So he thought of that plan. So ultimately that was his difficulty, and when he used his brain, he used an idea, he tried an idea that leads to something so that the monkeys will also follow. So ultimately he got his caps back. So that means it shows that there is always a way out of every difficulty. So hope you have enjoyed this story session. Till then, I will come back with a new story again on my story session. But apart from the story session, you need to go through your studies properly. You should follow your rhymes and English, Bengali, and practice everything properly. So please make sure along with studies you will be a good boy and good girl and listen to your parents and do your work properly. So thank you so much. Till then, take care, stay safe, and a very good bye to all of you.